morning. It is November the 8th. That is election day here on Tuesday. Looking at the markets overnight, most of the agricultural markets are up some. Crude oil is down. The dollar is up a small amount. Precious metals are up a small amount. Global stocks are somewhat mixed. Asia was up. Europe seems to be mostly down. And the U.S. futures, the early trade in United States futures, as I look at the S&P, is down a small amount. Let's take a look at where these markets are. Cotton up 34 at 68.79 with a high of 68.87 and a low of 68.19. January soybeans are up 8.5 at 10.07, a high of 10.11 and 3/4, a low of 9.97. Some more talk about continued good demand for beans as we wrap the harvest up. December corn up 1 at 3.47 1/4, high 3.48.5, low 3.45. December wheat up a half cent at 4.12, as up 3/4 cent at 4.10 and 3/4, a high of 4.12, a low of 4.08 1/4. Crude oil is down 23 cents a barrel at 44.66. The dollar is up 2, gold up 1, silver up 8, and the S&P futures are down 3.1. Looking yesterday at crop progress and most specifically harvest progress, we're wrapping up, at least in grains, the harvest. Starting though with cotton, 56% harvested. This time of the year, the average is 60%. Soybeans are 93% harvested, so we're pretty much done there. And that's very close to what the average would be, actually a little ahead of schedule. Corn is 86% harvested. The average this time of the year is 85%. Winter wheat in the good to excellent category is 58%, and that is unchanged from the previous week. The crop is 91% planted in winter wheat. That's on average. That's normal. And the crop is 79% emerged. That's also normal. Looking at the news, of course, this is election day. The question is, what effect can this have on our markets? Directly, I'm not sure, but certainly a Trump victory would be short-term negative for the stock market. Various analysts are saying long-term he would be positive, but short-term it would shake the market up. And with that, it's possible you could, at least in a very short term, get some negative movement in all markets. We'll see. Should be an interesting day and night, and then of course we get to react to the news, whatever it might be, tomorrow, and it could be a very volatile day. So that's it for today. As far as the calendar goes, we really don't have anything. I see API energy stocks come out today at 3:30. So I know I don't have to encourage you to get out here in the U.S. and vote. But we certainly would encourage anyone that's not sure, they need to get out. Thanks. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.